this project was recently finished, and he's super happy with this project.
We got these sick 10x10 short panel black overhead doors.
We also did the concrete work here. Check out, these windows are just nice and clean. So this one's like a continuous lean-to. These are some ways you can build out your metal building, build out your man cave. Welcome backpack. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings.
And your favorite salesman, David Gonzalez.
Ah, okay, taking ownership right there. That's awesome, man.
Yes, sir.
And that is David. We're out here in Giddings, Texas,
yes,
close to Austin. We actually just went to
Terry Black's
barbecue, and we had an awesome lunch.
Yeah,
and now we're finishing off the tour here that we're out here in Giddings. This project was recently finished, and we're gonna give you guys an awesome tour. Our client's inside. He is working on his building right now, and he's super happy with this project.
Yes.
And he's given us the opportunity to walk around and really show. And David here worked with our client, so he's gonna actually talk to you guys a little bit more of what is this project all about, and why our client wanted this project.
Let's do it.
Let's get it going. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Projects like the one you're seeing behind, we got a lot of cool ones, and this one is one of them.
Oh yeah, let's go. We got a 55 by 40 long metal building, red iron metal building, full I-beam from front to back. We got these sick 10x10 short panel black overhead doors. We got I believe a 10-foot lean-to, continuous roof line. It's a pretty sick building, man. He really wanted a building to where he can kind of hang out with his family during Thanksgiving dinner, kind of like a gym, hang out with his kids, pool table in there, just a hangout spot, you know. He's got this beautiful property here, so he just wanted a place to kind of hang out, and that's what we gave him. You know, he wanted something fast, something good, and that's what he got.
And we also did the concrete work here.
We did
from ground up.
Sick concrete, specific for his metal building. Notch details fit perfectly for his overhead doors, no water seepage. It's sloped this way so the water runs away from the building. Overall, a great project from start to finish.
Well, yeah, let's talk a little bit more in details. You know, I'm more of the spec guy.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
So, David, this is a weld-up building, full I-beam, and then it's already been spray foamed, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. But check out the notch detail we did for this project. It's right on point. You can see the tracks are falling right here, and the door actually falls right here. No water's coming in. Just perfectly built concrete really for the metal building. This is all 26 gauge PBR panels, white with black trim. And what size are these overhead doors?
These are 10x10 overhead doors.
And it's got its control remote and openers already set. These colors are really nice and matching. They're beautiful home.
Looks really beautiful.
We'll walk in the inside a little bit more, but first we want to really just take you guys on a walk on the outside. Again, we did the slab, so we connected this driveway approach up to his concrete slab. Look at those windows.
That's what I was going to talk about, man. Those windows are beautiful, man. Black trim, black frame.
These are horizontal as well, and they're double pane windows. For all our red iron projects now, we can get you custom windows. What makes it hard about windows is that there's so many options, so many different sizes. It's very custom. So when it comes down to our red iron projects, we are offering more of a custom tailored approach, and it's been really exciting. Like this project, check out, these windows are just nice and clean.
The base trim too makes it a little, stands out quite a bit too with the black base trim. Overall building came out sick. The gutter system, I love our gutter system just because it's a puzzle piece with the trim package, and it looks phenomenal.
Yeah, it's one single system of a gutter system for red iron projects, all made out of the same metal. So this is 26 gauge metal combining with all the trim and all the metal.
Came out sick. Overall, a great project. Don't mind the bobcat. He's just kind of hanging out there. He doesn't bite.
Look at the cuts. Look at the nice angle
Sharp
cuts,
edges.
just really matching with the windows. And all our red iron projects are basically on our higher end. We dedicate a little bit more craftsmanship. We use only the best guys, and we stick with our own guys to do our red iron projects.
One thing to keep in mind that whenever we do these red iron projects, it's we like to say that we construct in the office first, right? We put everything on paper, framing, how everything is going to be constructed here on the fields. That way, whenever we get here, there's no miscommunication, there's no mishaps. Everything's already done. All you got to do is just put the puzzle pieces together.
Yep, exactly. Especially with weld-ups, David. Those are fabricated on site.
Right.
And a lot of our team, we don't want them second guessing, you know, where do the windows go? Where do the doors go? How many purlins are we putting?
How far apart are they from each other?
Everything is in control.
What do we like to say? We like to measure twice, cut once.
Measure twice, cut once. That's right. He already ran his electrical box, and he did put it on the outside. And then he's got a door in the back. The elevation's a little high, so he might be putting some steps, I'm assuming, at a later date. You can see the off-levelness that was on this property. So right here, we're talking about at least 14, 16 inches off level, and had to bring in extra dirt to level it out.
Overall, it came out beautiful. What he really wanted was a company that can do it from start to finish. No miscommunication, easy communication, consistent communication. He loved our system where we were shoot a text, shoot an email, back to back to back to back to back throughout the whole process, and he loved that. And that's one of the reasons why he.
I'm gonna ask Jeremy too. That's what he just told us right now.
Yeah.
Ask him if he wants to say it on camera. I'm not sure if he's shy. But here's a lean-to. So this is a 12-foot lean-to, David?
I believe it's about 10 to 12. I'm not 100% sure.
So this one's like a continuous lean-to. So what continuous means, it just follows the same roof line and falls on the same line of that roof.
Roof panels.
Roof panels. And a lot of times it's to basically park your cars, park your ATVs, and that way they're not really obstructing you inside your building. One of the advantages of having a lean-to with the red iron project is with tubular, you got posts every 5 feet. With red iron, when you basically just have it on every 20 feet.
20 to 25 feet.
20 to 25 feet, exactly. He's already done his electrical. These are steel doors. They are steel skin and then insulated in the inside. So nice and clean. Nice little approach up to his door. Check this out. He's working fast to try to get this ready for Thanksgiving. Got a couple days, Jeremy.
I think I'm gonna get a little workout in.
He's already got his gym set. These are some ways you can build out your metal building, build out your man cave.
You know, something to keep in mind too is that he mentioned that he put insulation in between the plywood and the actual panels.
That's
Give
right.
that extra insulation as well.
He did our R19 fiberglass insulation, and he's just painting on top of his plywood. But check out, this is our 1-inch spray foam. Nice and clean. The concrete's spectacular.
Overall phenomenal.
This is 40 long. The lighting is actually really good. So I was actually looking at the lights. A lot of our clients, we don't do electrical, but a lot of our clients ask about lighting. Check this out. He did run his electrical conduits after the spray foam, which in honesty, I like it better that way.
I like the exposure of it. It looks a little bit more modern. I think it looks sick. I like it a lot.
Yeah, so a lot of times clients ask, okay, should I run my electrical first or should I do my spray foam first? Well, I'm a bigger fan of exposed, and here it is, especially if you got some nice conduits like the ones that are been installed here. This is 40 long, right?
Correct, 40 long.
3 lights, and it lights perfectly in here.
Yeah. Yeah, the sun's already down, so it's daylight in here.
David, this is a beautiful project.
Looks sick, man. Love it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We can answer any questions about this project. Again, stay tuned because we got a lot of really cool projects coming up.
Big projects coming up, big projects.
And here, David, if you're looking for a metal building, call in, ask for David. If you really want to talk to him, he's open to help and serve. And I'm going to continue to do more videos so that way it can help you on your next metal building project. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Let's go.